miss the
Wow.
franchise.
You're the best, Paul. Thank
You
you
want
so
to try
much.
something new?
Woo!
Thanks to Disney and Marvel Studios, my sister and I were invited to attend the Ant-Man and the Wasp Quantumania World Premiere in Los Angeles, California. As you all know, the Marvel Cinematic Universe has been the biggest inspiration for the work that I do on this channel, so as you can imagine, this was a really big moment for me. Now, this was my first ever Marvel premiere, so in order to make a big splash, or should I say small splash, because he's Ant-Man, you know? Yeah, no. We wanted to put together our best Ant-Man and Wasp cosplays. Because we only had a couple of weeks to prepare, I could have bought my suit online, get a nice one like this, and save myself days of work. But in true PropWay fashion, I just had to make my own. So before we get into the actual premiere, let's quickly walk through the process of how I made the suit. I first bought this plain black vest for two reasons. I wanted it to be easy to put on and take off, and I wanted it to be accurate to the real suit, which you can see here kinda looks like a vest. Once I mounted the vest to a mannequin, I started sketching out the pattern for all the different panels on some brown paper. This was then transferred to a sheet of 3mm thick EVA foam. I cut out all the pieces, hand painted the ones with red and silver, then glued it to the vest with some contact cement, which may not have been the best option because of the strong smell, but it worked out okay. Then I built the traps, shoulders, and forearm pieces out of foam, just freehanding what I felt looked best, and these were mounted using this adhesive-backed Velcro. I found these cool running pants with red stripes, and it really gave my suit a nice, fit, athletic look, which I felt was perfect for me. In other words, I had no time to make pants. Then I throw on my Ant-Man helmet, which I do have a tutorial for on my channel, and boom, we have an Ant-Man cosplay. So now that the suit is ready, let's take it to LA. Hey everyone, we are now at Santa Monica Pier, and tomorrow we head to Westwood for the Ant-Man premiere. Are you excited for the Ant-Man premiere?
Oh my god. I'm really excited.
So now it's premiere day and I couldn't be more excited. We met up with my friends Austin, Katie, Marco, and Jamie, and you can find all their social media in the description below. We had the perfect spot on the red carpet and had some really cool close-up shots on Marvel's live stream of the premiere. And even better, my sister and I were selected to be part of the cosplayer photo shoot, which made all the hard work on my suit totally worth it. And then, the most exciting part about these premieres, the stars started coming out onto the red carpet.
These characters come from. What kind of story are you looking forward to telling?
How you doing, Paul? Can you sign a helmet?
Sure.
Thank you so much,
This story
Paul.
was very
Paul,
exciting
can I go
to tell,
next?
and it was great because when we were lucky enough to get to a part 3, which we are, and it was
Wow.
You're the
franchise.
best, Paul. Thank
You
you
want to
so
try
much.
something new?
And he almost left me hanging on this fist bump, but he came back to finish it. What a guy. And one of the highlights of the night was getting to see up close my good friend Marco get his forehead signed by Paul Rudd.
Tattooed later.
A blast.
Never signed a man's
Well,
forehead.
something though that does stay constant are the characters. That was my wife's idea. Is what is at the heart of the movie.
Well,
so
all
tell
I
us
can
a
say
little
is
bit about the
thank God
dynamic
my
we're
name
gonna
is
see between
Zach Galifianakis.
One of the themes of the movie.
Can you sign it for my helmet? You look wonderful. Thank you. Can we take a selfie, please? Jonathan, can we sign it?
Thank you so much, Jonathan.
I don't want to tell him. Very good.
Thank you. You look amazing.
Oh, look at you. Can you sign it? Yes.
You look great, Catherine. Really?
There's no room for me on your head.
Cheek. Yeah, right on time. That's perfect.
I'm not signing
How are you?
anybody's pen, I'll tell you that right.
Thank you, Kevin.
Take a selfie.
Yeah.
It truly was the experience of a lifetime and really felt like a dream come true for me, considering I've been making Iron Man helmets since Iron Man 1 came out in 2008.
Right this way, please.
After our time on the carpet, we walked right into the theater and got the very first viewing of Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania. And of course, I won't spoil anything for you, but let me tell you, this is a movie that you do not want to miss, and you do not want to wait for this to come out on Disney+. Go watch it in theaters, it's crazy. And that was our time in LA. Again, I just want to say thank you to Marvel Studios and Disney for inviting me to this incredible event. And as always, a big thank you to those who have been supporting PropWay for the past few years, or even new viewers. I absolutely would not be here without you guys, and I will always do my best to be your go-to prop maker. And hopefully now, your exclusive guide inside these premieres. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.